So hi guys, yeah, this is my first YouTube video. If you did not realize, um, I'm not in a stress and worried. It's just that I got my new haircut. This is my first video, so I just wanted to say I'm new to YouTube. I have my own channel, and yeah, I'm glad. I do Nerf reviews and stuff. I just wanted to say the blast is on. Sir, uh, sorry if the volume is a low quality. I have over here. Wait. Sorry, the voice. This. The Nerf Rival Forerunner. No, it's like Barrelug, but I won't get into the reviews like right now. Like, I have a cap gun, fake guns, Nerf guns, Venture Force guns, Microsoft guns, La Jolt. I have a lot of blasters. And I also have the rival, rounds. So, oh, and also don't ask why the birthday art is not working. Yeah, I'll be recording every day. Well, most of the days, not all the days, because all the days will get tiring. And if it's tiring, I'm not gonna be in top shape. So some days I'll not be recording. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It may be short. It's just because I don't have a lot of time.